Hey guys, so it's that time of the year. Putting away your power washer. One thing that I like to do is to drain my gas. I don't use any of that stable stuff because people usually put too much in it or they don't put enough. So if you're just going to take the bottle and pour it into your gas, that's not a good idea because you can't really measure it and you don't know how much gas is left in your tank. Guys, so we're over here at the store. We got some of the stable stuff behind us, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. And let's go ahead and let's just look at the instructions on here. This is what people don't follow. So this says it's 1 ounce treats 5 gallons of gas. So how much gas are you putting into your little small engine? Not 5 gallons. So what people do is they want to grab this and they just start dumping it into their small engine. And if 1 ounce treats 5 gallons, well, you do the math. So the best way to do is to drain it out and then run your bowl out, or take the bowl nut off and let it all drain out, and then start it up and let it run until it runs out of gas. Then you know you're good to go. And hook up some air to your line like this and blow through your pump to force all the water out of it. Or you can hook up a hose with some antifreeze and allow antifreeze to run all the way through your hose until it comes out the other end, and then you know you have something that is not freezable inside your pump and in your hose. Hey, well, looky there, look what I found right behind me. And what name does it have on it? Well, let's just go ahead and look at it. So this is what I was talking about. You can buy these cans from the store and you can hook this up to your power washer and then just spray this right through there, and it's supposed to protect your pump from having the water in there, and it disperses all the water. So again, you know, you're paying for this, you know, 10 bucks. So what you want to do is go ahead and use your stuff that you already got at home, like the windshield washer fluid or some antifreeze left over in the garage, and that will work just as good as spending this extra money. Now, instead of antifreeze, because it is poisonous to cats and dogs, you can use RV antifreeze or windshield washer fluid. Let's go ahead and do a little demonstration of the air going through. So I am going to squeeze my trigger like that, and I am going to push the air through it and watch the water. So you want to do this until no water remains into your hose and your pump. So a couple things that you can do is you can take some washer fluid. Now this is rated for minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So, and what we can do, since we've already drained our gas out, we can just take this and pour that right into there. So tilt this up and pour some down in there, and then we're going to blow the air through there until the orange washer fluid pours out. So as you got your washer fluid or antifreeze or your RV antifreeze in there, you can pull over your motor and it will suck it down in there. so you know it's getting inside. So see, it all went inside there. Hey, I hope these super tips helped you out on your power washer, putting it away for the winter.